To be sure, when a former employer is confronted with a slew of customers and clients leaving out their front door in droves to a competing entity, and particularly at the hands of now former employees, practically speaking, it makes an awful lot of sense to do everything they can to move promptly and try and stem that bleeding. But there's also, from the legal perspective, considerations for moving as quickly as possible as well. And that was underscored by a recent opinion that came out of the Southern District of New York, a federal court sitting there, where addressing the former employer's application for temporary injunctive relief, or TRO, they noted that it's well established in the Second Circuit, which includes New York, that the loss of clients and goodwill generally constitutes irreparable harm, which is one of the three components needed to get a TRO. Now, the reason that the court continued for this is because it's very difficult to calculate monetary damages that would successfully redress the loss of relationship with the client that would produce an indeterminate amount of business in the years to come. And the court continued to note that a sister court addressing the same issue in Chicago observed that damages to, in this case, the same entity, which was Loan Depot, would have to be calculated on a customer by customer basis, likely devolving into dozens of mini trials to determine if a customer left their pipeline for legitimate or illegitimate reasons, which would just make it completely unwieldy. So the takeaway from this is, if you're confronting, from the perspective of a former employer, the loss of prospective clients, or existing clients rather, and business in significant amounts and over a short period of time, it behooves you to decide and to move quickly and decisively in trying to seek redress before the courts, because of evidentiary concerns in terms of proof of damages both before and afterward being much more difficult later on. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions regarding your non-compete issue or things related to damages flowing therefrom, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Jonathan Cooper, and my number is 516-791-5700. Thank you and have a good day.